on the festivals or on special occasions like parties, you wear party wear clothes. Then you don't wear the school uniform. फिर आपको स्पेशल कपड़े मिलते हैं पार्टी वियर क्लोथ्स और for the special occasions like festivals, like functions, birthday parties, then you wear the party wear clothes. Okay? And school uniform में आप decent भी लगते हो. Okay? You look decent also. Then at night we wear the comfortable clothes, loose clothes, in order to feel comfortable while sleeping. So we wear different clothes on different occasions. Okay. Now we wear cotton clothes when it is hot. It's not there means it's there we wear the clothes according to the weather also. What type of weather is it? In the summers, when it is very hot, then we wear the cotton clothes. Why do we wear the cotton
Night
clothes?
suit.
Yes, night suit तो night पे डालते हैं and cotton clothes we wear when it is hot. By wearing the cotton, we feel the cool. They keep us cool. How do they make us cool? How do they keep us cool? Because
Can I speak? Feel.
yes, Arnab,
Ma'am?
mute yourself. They allow the body heat to escape. They allow the body heat to exit through them. Air circulates through them easily. And they absorb sweat. That's why we wear the cotton clothes. You got it? Show your thumbs up. Why do we wear the cotton clothes? Yes. Yes, you got it, beta. Yes, because yes, good. Okay, because they absorb sweat, they allow the body to escape, they circulate the air, and they keep us cool. Now, why do we wear white or light colored clothes? We always prefer white or light clothes in summers. Why is it so?
Because they keep us cool.
Yes, because they keep us cool. Okay, they absorb less heat. Light colored clothes or white color absorbs less heat. That's why we prefer the white or light colored clothes. And in winters, we wear the woolen clothes. Why? Because they keep us warm. सर्दियों में हमें अपने आप को गर्म रखना होता है और गर्मियों में ठंडा. तो we select the clothes accordingly. In winters, we choose the woolen clothes because they keep us warm. इनमें क्या होता है? Air trapped होती है. Air is bad conductor of heat. तो body heat is trapped in between. It's not allowed to pass. They do not allow body heat to escape. Escape means body heat exit नहीं होती. They have to keep us warm. And why do we wear dark colored clothes in winter? Write it in the chat box. We wear dark clothes in winters. Winter में हम dark colored के clothes डालते हैं. Why is it so? Because it absorbs more heat. Okay? Because dark colors absorb more heat. And what do we wear when it rains? Raincoat. We use umbrellas.
Raincoat.
Yes, because they are waterproof. They do not allow water to pass. Okay, हमारे कपड़े नहीं भीगेंगे because वो water नहीं pass होने देंगे. Now look at these people. They are in special uniform, means special clothes. Some people wear special clothes to work. It helps in protection and identification. Okay, some people they wear special clothes when they do for work. Okay, when they go to work, they go on the job. तो जॉब करते टाइम स्पेशल क्लोथ्स होते हैं. Why do they wear the uniform? Because it helps
Ma'am.
protect them and we can recognize the profession. Now, can you recognize the profession or job of these people? See the first image. Who is this? Can you recognize the job of this person? He is a, yes, write it in the chat box. Very good.
Doctor.
He is a doctor. Clear? And second, they are astronauts. Very good. Okay. उनकी special dress होती है astronauts की. And third picture, he is a
Pilot.
pilot. Okay. We can recognize by their uniform. And fourth number, chef. Good. Okay. And fifth number is lawyer. Okay. So we can recognize the people by looking at their uniform. We can recognize them easily. So some people wear special clothes so that we can recognize their profession. Now we should take care of our clothes. How can we take care of clothes? Write it. How can we take care of our clothes? First is we should wash them regularly. We should wear the neat and clean clothes. We should wash the clothes regularly. And second, in order to keep
Iron it.
insects, yes, in order to keep the insects away, what should be used? What are these white color balls?
Washing machine.
ये white color की जो washing machine है, white color की जो balls हैं, what do we call it? Write in the chat box. Don't unmute. These are the naphthalene balls. Very good. Naphthalene balls should be kept, okay, while storing them in order to keep the insects away. Insect will not attack the clothes, otherwise they can damage the clothes. What else can be used in place of naphthalene balls? If naphthalene balls are not there, so we can use dried neem leaves also. They also help to keep the insects away. Clear? So naphthalene balls should be used to keep the insects away. Okay, beta? Yes, next, silk clothes should be dry cleaned. Dry cleaned means when water is not used to clean them, to wash them. When we don't wash them in the washing machine. When we don't use water, then what is used? Some special chemical is used, some special solution is used to wash them. Some of the clothes are delicate like silk clothes, some of the woolen clothes like pure wool के clothes होते हैं, पश्मीना etc. जो special wool होती है, they are not used, we don't use water or detergents to wash them, then they are dry cleaned. Okay, उनको हम ड्राई क्लीन करते हैं in order to remove the dirt, in order to remove the stains, they are dry cleaned. Okay, some special solutions are used in order to dry clean them. Clear? Tetrachloroethene is used. Okay, you need not to learn the name, but you have to see कि some, we don't use water, we use some special chemicals. Now cotton clothes are wrinkle prone, उनको जल्दी wrinkle पड़ जाते हैं, so they should be ironed. Synthetic को तो wrinkle नहीं पड़ते, they are wrinkle resistant, but cotton clothes, they should be ironed properly. Okay, that's all about. Now you can unmute yourself. If you have to ask any queries there, if you have to ask any question, so you can ask me.